Okay, so first we have the ET125 with these 1402 9,500 kV motors, and we have this 550 GMB 2S. So fire it up on 2S. So let's look at it. Punch out. Another punch out. So really smooth sounding flyer with these motors on it. Definitely fast enough. Might be worth it to have a longer flying quad with a punch out like this. Not bad at all. The stock 1104 motors seem to be a little more punchy though. So hardly any drift. So let's bring it in and try the 1104. Okay, so we're back out with the ET115, this time with the stock motors on it. These are King Kong branded Sunny Sky 1104 7500 kV motors. So a lower kV, but let's just check it out and see how this goes. Definitely feels more peppy already. So let's try a punch out. Seems like it definitely needs to be tuned without the rings on it. But let's check it out again. Definitely faster though. So I need to put a tune on this one to get it flying smooth on a punch out without the rings on it, because it's added power, so much added power. Check it out again. Definitely starts going up before the other ones did. Big difference. I can hear the fluttering. But more power. And bear in mind that if I tune this and get it flying smooth like the other motors, the punch out will be increased even more. So definitely a more powerful motor than the 1402. More amp draw too, but that's to be expected to have more amp draw with more power though. More power is going to give you more amp draw. Thus less flight time. Definitely a lot of speed. Plenty of extra power. So definitely if you want a really sporty flyer for your ET115 or 125, just remove the prop guards, remove those rings, and then you can just tune it. You'll have to put a little tune on it, maybe lower the P and D gains, maybe about 8 notches or more, and then you should be okay with a nice fast sporty flyer. So that does it. Let's see if we haven't. I know we're gonna have some drift because it's vibrating. Just a little bit of drift when I go back into angle mode. Alright y'all, so we back with the ET115, the stock Sunny Sky 1104, 7,500 kV motors on it. We got the GMB 550 charged up again. Got a light tune on it now. So I imagine that it's going to have even more punch with a better tune. So let's check out the punch. Definitely. Check it out again. That wasn't a full punch. Let's look at it again. So it can use maybe being dropped down a few more notches on the P gains. I think I only dropped them down 7 notches on P, and I think I went down 4 notches on the D gains. It did get a little more windy out here too. So definitely a little more power. Could benefit from me going up on the rates a little more. The yaw rate is pretty slow. Just having a little fun with it now. See if we can move a little of this sand here. I think the sand's wet though, so it's not going to move. Sheesh, the sun almost blinded me there. So that's enough for testing here. Let's see if we have any drift from all of that. Not too much drift. So that's it, a quick comparison flight of the King Kong or Sunny Sky 1104 7500 kV motors with the Brother Hobby 1402 9500 kV motors. These seem like they're a little more powerful, at least with punch. I'm not sure about top speed yet. Haven't tested that. Maybe I'll do some FPV out at the park and see which one seems like they have a higher top speed. I'm guessing this one is going to have a higher top speed, but You never know till you try. So any of you guys who have the ET125 or ET115 and you're looking for a really nice, sporty, agile flyer instead of the way it flies with the rings on it, then just remove the prop guards and you'll have a nice, agile, sporty flyer. Thanks for watching.